Hey everybody, in today's video we will explore different softwares to automate your content creation process and how to use them. You will also learn about how to use YouTube automation tools, providing you with a glimpse into the future of content creation. YouTube is a platform where anyone can post content. There are millions of YouTube channels that have been created in all kinds of niche. But it is not easy to keep up with the demands of generating new video ideas on weekly basis. This is where automation comes into play. In the video, we will talk about how to automate your channel and make it easier to produce videos on a consistent basis. We will also learn how to generate more views and subscribers by applying certain strategies and tricks. My goal is to provide you with the best tools that will help you automate your YouTube channel, increase the efficiency by revealing the secrets of content creation. Let's get started. The name of this tool is writer.me. Trust me, this tool will blow your mind away because the kind of efficiency and the kind of content you can create using this tool is by far much superior than other existing tools. So this tool works on a freemium version. That means that you get to use this tool for free for a limited period of time, and post that you need to get the paid version. I would definitely recommend this tool for anyone who is interested in content creation, whether it is for your LinkedIn, whether it is for your YouTube scripts, or even Twitter, Instagram post. This gets your content creation in minutes, and I'm gonna show you how quickly and how efficient this is. So stick around for the video. I would suggest you to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment in the box that how did you like that video and what kind of topics you want me to cover going forward. So let's get started. So once you log in, this is where you come in. To log in, all you need is just your email ID and you're good to go. So there are four really important things which you should know while you're using the software. First, you can select multiple languages in which you want your content. B, you can select your tone. This is really interesting because with this you get a lot of ease to create your own content with the kind of language you want to use. Third, this is the best part of the tool, that is that you get so many different variations at just a click. The kind of content you want to create, you can write your own emails, you can write your own blogs, which exactly I'm going to do it in front of you in next couple of minutes. You can create business ideas, your title, your SEOs, and all of that stuff. All you got to do is just enter the keyword of the blog which you want to write. So I'm going to write how to potty train your dog. This is a very unique and a random topic that I'm going to write on. It is going to show you that how effective this is. So these are the number of variants which you can pick. I advise you to go with 3 variants, but for the ease of this video, I'm gonna go with only 1 variant. So basically, if you pick 3 variants, that means it's gonna give you 3 different sections of each blog, which you're gonna see right away. So this is going to be their main title: Potty Training Your Dogs, a step-by-step guide to successful potty training. As you can see, the introduction is here. Why is potty training so important? Then potty training in simple steps, the importance of potty puppy, what you need to know, what food should I avoid feeding my dog. So these are broader statements. So now this is where the thing's gonna get interesting. So if you're still here, stick around the video till the end. So the moment you highlight any of this, you get multiple options like command, improve, rephrase, paraphrase, and etc. So if I want to expand this, all I have to do is click on paragraph, and voila, you're gonna see that I get a full piece of blog which I can just use it for my own purpose. Exactly, this is what I'm talking about. You don't have to write all of this stuff, you just get at those clicks. I'm gonna expand this and paraphrase. To paraphrase any of a sentence, it should have at least 30 characters, and once you have those 30 characters, you can see that my blog is getting ready. It is not a big task for me to write a blog. As you can see, I'm already done with 384 words, and going forward it's gonna get to 497 words. You can see the number of words that I have and the number of characters that I've written here, and towards the end I'm gonna go with my conclusion. So as you can see that instantly my content got really customized and as per my own topic. Another interesting feature is that you can actually rephrase the kind of content that you have, but for that it should not be more than 300 words. This is where you get to know how many characters are being used. You highlight this and you just click on the button called rephrase, and this content is gonna get rephrased. So the option of rephrasing is better because you can identify if your content is plagiarized. So to find your content, whether it is plagiarized or not, you just have to highlight the content, go on more, and check plagiarism check. The moment you do that, it will show you that if there is anything which is plagiarized or if it is not. So like this right now, there is nothing which is plagiarized. So using these tools, you can create a lot of content. I am going to recommend a particular course which is really great for somebody who wants to create content on YouTube and make money out of YouTube. The link of that course is in the description box. Also, there is a free training which this person is conducting. If you want to know more about that course, you can obviously go and attend that free training where you will learn more about content creation. So these are the different aspects that you can explore with this tool. As you can see, in less than 5 minutes I am good to go with a 552 word blog, and if you read this article you will understand that how SEO friendly this blog is. If I post this blog online, it is going to get me a lot of good views for the blog wherever I have written it. So thumbs up to this tool. I am in love with this tool. I am using this tool for a lot of content creation for my own YouTube scripts, for my own blog. And if you're interested in using this tool, I am sharing the link in the description box. Use that link and get a free discount and free version for this tool where you get access to a lot of stuff that you can use. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you soon where I'm gonna reveal more secrets of content creation. Thank you. Take care.